Hello, and thank you very much for taking a look at our business plan specific for a fintech focused firm that specializes in cryptocurrencies. Very quickly, I'm going to walk through the business plan and just give you a sense of the sort of the look and feel of our work and discuss what we can do for you in regards to developing a business plan specific for whether it's your blockchain or fintech business. We have extensive experience, especially over the past 6 years, developing plans for these types of enterprises. We always start with the executive summary, outlining the operations of the business. And we always do a full 5-year financial model in all the plans that we do. This just gives a quick little snapshot of the anticipated revenues, gross profits, EBITDA, which of course is expanded towards the end of the plan. Chapter 2 is an overview of the financing and how those funds are to be used. And we also include, especially when we're working with a plan where we know it's going to be for raising capital from an investor, we always include a pro forma and rate of return table as well as addressing matters such as internal rate of return and net present value. Chapter 3 is an overview of the operations. Chapter 4 is the overview of the organization, discussing the registered name, commencement of operation, mission and vision statements, as well as the organizational objectives. Chapter 5 is the industry and market analysis. We update this quarterly in regards to the state of the economy. All the industry research we fully cite is always fully up to date. Chapter 6 is the key strategic issues that discuss how the business will remain sustainable in any economic climate. We also discuss the basis for growth. Chapter 7 is the marketing plan. For this particular plan, it's a little bit on the shorter side since this is not a customer-focused business. Chapter 8 is the headcount and payroll, as well as the corporate hierarchy. And of course, Chapter 9 is the financial plan. And again, we do this on a 5-year basis. Has a profit and loss statement, common size income statement, cash flow analysis, balance sheet, the expanded sensitivity analysis. This gives an overview if in the event that revenues are 10% or 20% lower or 10% or 20% higher than anticipated, just what the business would look like then. Break-even analysis and business ratios. And that ends the central part of the plan. We then move into the appendices, which is the SWOT analysis, discussing the strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities and threats of the company. We do a risk analysis, and then we have the reference sources, all of which are cited in all plans that we do. The final 2 appendices are the expanded profit and loss statements and cash flow analysis. For the first year, we do the profit and loss on a monthly basis, and then quarterly for year 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I know I'm scrolling very quickly. Same deal with the expanded cash flow analysis, where we do this monthly for the first year and then quarterly for the other years. In the event that your funding source wants to see a month-to-month breakdown over the 60-month period, we do have a financial model that can accommodate that. Typically, it's not requested, but some funding sources do prefer that. So we always make that available if that's needed. And again, all of the work we do is done specific for the needs of each client. And that's essentially it. We're a full-service business planning firm that can also do pitch decks as well. We build very complicated and in-depth financial models to address every aspect of a business's operations. If you have any questions or would like to learn more information about what we could do for you, please click on the link that's in the description box below. That'll take you directly to our website. And thank you very much for taking a look. Take care.